Last video we are talking about how to make the ring go vertical, right? Okay, the one is on how to level your mouth, everything. This time, we are showing you how to do the bubble ring underwater that go horizontally. It looks quite magical actually. Okay, so this is what shown in the video. We get the air from the regulator, from the exhaust. So you just scoop the air and then make it into smaller bubbles. Or if you're on the surface snorkeling, you can do as well. You just put your hand above the surface, pull the air down into the water and start to make it into smaller bubbles. Why smaller bubbles is better? Because if it's big bubbles, it will float very fast. If it's smaller bubbles, the smaller the tiny one, then it actually will stay for a while and slowly go up. Okay, because of it's less air inside. Okay, and more resistance compared to the flotation, to the positive buoyancy of the bubbles. Okay, so this is what you do there. And once you go down and wait for a while until it becomes like a mist, Of course, if it like floated, then you have no more bubbles around. Okay, then you just focus. Some people do this, some people do like this, some people only use one hand. But the point is, you want to push the stream of water into that micro bubbles, and then start to roll all the bubbles into the ring. If the bubble is big, then it will still form the ring, but it's not a complete ring because they are very big. So they didn't roll. It's not light enough for that force of energy to roll them into a very nice tiny ring. Okay, so the smaller bubble will be much better. Okay, so how much strength you got to really practice? You start with very strong one, then go slower and slower. Once you get one done, then you understand how much strength you use, then you will know. Okay, so this is the concept, very simple. This is your hand. Okay, you put a lots of micro bubbles around here before they floated up. Then you push the stream of water. This is the stream of water. Okay, the stream of water, because of your hand, you are pushing them towards that thing. Then they will start to hit the bubble and then make the bubble rotate like this. Once it rotates, you will start to move to the direction, but because it's very light, so it starts to go up slowly. Okay, as you can see in the video. Okay, so have fun, and it's really nice, and I like to make, especially during the safety stop or taking some video of it. Okay, enjoy.